Stop by and take a look at the 2018 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 2-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, active grille shutters, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, rear step bumper, speed control, front wheel independent suspension, 4-wheel disc brakes. Inside you'll find low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, tachometer, power steering, tilt steering wheel, overhead console, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror, radio data system. Come take a test drive today.